Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everybody from all over the world, in particular, ARTech official viewers. As you can see in the video today, I have a very beautiful mini JBL to unbox in front of you. My dear viewers, this is the smallest mini JBL, and let's unbox this smallest and beautiful mini JBL. My dear viewers, now I'm unboxing this smallest and mini JBL. As you can see, my viewers, nothing is left inside. Here we have one normal small charging cable, and here we have strap for this mini JBL. My dear viewers, there is a place for it. If you want to use this strap, you can just tie it here in this area, my dear viewers. Okay, my dear viewers, as you can see, we have the smallest mini JBL for unboxing tonight, and I hope you may like this mini JBL. My dear viewers, as you can watch, this mini JBL is in particular for those viewers who are very interested to have mini JBLs in particular in their pockets. I guess this mini JBL might be a good choice for them. My dear viewers, as you can see here, we have 3 switches. By this switch you can turn this mini JBL on, and this is volume up button and this is volume down button. Here we have TF card or memory card port, my dear viewers, and here, my dear viewers, you can see we have charging port and nothing else. As well as, my dear viewers, I want to let you know that this mini JBL not only work with mini TF card, you can also connect your smartphone's Bluetooth with this mini JBL or the smallest JBL. And now I'm going to switch this mini or smallest JBL on. If you want to on this mini JBL, come here and long press this button.
Bluetooth mode.
My dear viewers, now this mini JBL or wireless speaker is switched on, and this light is bulbing. It means that the JBL is switched on. My dear viewers, you can connect your Bluetooth with this mini JBL. Now I want to check the sound of this wireless speaker or mini JBL or smallest JBL. And my dear viewers, I'm using this TF card or memory card to check the sound of this mini JBL. My friends, as you can see, now I'm inserting the TF card or memory card inside the memory card or TF card port.
SD card mode.
منم غلام علی علی امام منست منم غلام علی.
Maximum volume.
My dear viewers, as you can see, this switch is not only for turn on and off this mini JBL, it's also work as a pause and play button. And now let's go and check this. My dear viewers, as you watch, comparing the size of this wireless speaker, as this mini JBL is very small one, and when we take into account its size, the voice of this mini JBL of our smallest JBL is not that bad. And this was the unboxing process of this smallest JBL. My dear viewers, in order to watch other latest new tech and wireless speakers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and as well as give me thumbs where possible.